Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 10th of September. And first of all, national news. CDS General Anil Chauhan released joint doctrine for amphibious operations. PM Modi to inaugurate Semicon India 2024 on 11th September. PM Modi held talks with Abu Dhabi Crown Prince. Attempt made to derail Kalindi Express by placing LPG cylinder on tracks in Kanpur. Police. India confirmed first Mpox case, no immediate risk to public center. Sonam Wangchuk urged PM Modi to act on Ladakh's demand. Now, international news. UN rights chief urged states to challenge Israel over occupation. Spanish Prime Minister visited China to shore UP trade and cultural ties amid EV tariff spat. Afghanistan's London embassy to close after its diplomats were disowned by Taliban. Ukraine said it downed six drones and two missiles during Russia's attack. Now, some sports news. India thrashed Japan 5-1 for their second consecutive win in Asian Champions Trophy. India to bid for 2030 Youth Olympics, Sports Minister Mandavia. Jannik Sinner beat Taylor Fritz to win US Open. Business related news. Suzlon bagged 1.166 megawatt wind energy order from NTPC Green Energy. Government cleared 12 Indian start UPS for incentives under chip design plan. And GST Council aligned on the need to cut insurance premiums. Specific proposal referred to GOM. And that's all in news. Thank you.